Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick video on this sliding fence gate that I created. Could not find anything online, so I figured I'd share this, maybe to help some others out. A couple things here and there that people did, but didn't care for it too much because of the bracing and all that. But this is pretty much everything I bought from Amazon or Lowe's. I did 3D print a few things I'll show you in a little bit, but ended up buying, we wanted a bigger, wider opening here. So I bought an 8-foot fence gate here that'll roll on casters, as you can see. These brackets here, got these from Amazon. These are 6-inch brackets, little L brackets for bracing. They're on the inside and on the outside on all 4 corners. This is 2-inch vinyl downspout from Lowe's because you couldn't buy a section just to kind of have a nice looking cap here. So I was able to actually fill this with the wood block. So I took my table saw, cut 2-inch wood block, and pressed it down in there. 3D printed these white caps that go on top. But since there is a size difference between this top rail and this side rail, I had to 3D print some spacers to go behind these brackets, as you can see here. I think there are 5.5 millimeter spacers for each one of these on each corner on the inside and the outside. As you can see here, we have these guide rollers that are for they're heavy duty for metal fence gates entering the house. Just have one on the top, one on the bottom, have it in there pretty well. It'll hold all the way through as it pushes, as you can see, and glide all the way out. I did put some wood blocking just in this piece here. That way I had something to screw to with some lag screws here. On the top and bottom on each side. There is no blocking in here. As you can see, this is loose, but with these corner brackets, it keeps it square and it won't flex on you as well. Did the same thing, 3D printed white black brackets there on the bottom as well. And we did a Magna latch kit from Lowe's. Just want to have more of a safeguard where this will lock in. As you can see, won't open up, and it's lockable as well. We have 5 kids, trying to make sure we keep everything safe, keep them out of here unless we want them in here. Pull the tab just like any latch at a resort, and then slide it open when you're ready to use it. We like it. It's a wider area to walk through. Most of the gates that you buy from Lowe's are only 4-foot wide gates. We just wanted something a little bigger to access. But as you can see, as this slides all the way open, there will be a little bit here just to leave room for it to guide through here, but we still like that better than just a 4-foot swinging gate. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks.